Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we have the pleasure of speaking with a very talented actress in the Indian film industry, Roopali Suri. She is known for her performances in both television and films. So, without further ado, let's welcome her. Roopali, thank you for being here with us today.
That's such a nice introduction. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Your first ever project, which is Hero Bhakti Hi Shakti Hai. I remember, I think that show aired from 2005 till 2007, if I'm not wrong. And I think every 80s and 90s kid must be knowing about your character and is very well versed with the show. Tell us a little bit about how your story started with that show. How did you land into that role?
To be very honest, yes, I do meet a lot of kids, who were actually maybe 4 years then and must have grown up now and become probably are going to college and things like that. But I was also a child. I was also very young at that point in time. I had just finished my schooling and just entered into college. But to be very honest with you, Hero, I never wanted to do it. I just thought, because I had already done so many pompous characters like that before as a child also, then I thought that I just want to do something very serious now. In that age of when you're a teenager, you just want some pocket money. Your college is up there. You want to have your sandwiches. You want to have just probably go to a movie, and you want that extra pocket money to yourself. That is where I pick up this. I remember going for this audition, and I said, "Oh God, what is this character? I don't want to do it. Come on, what is this Barbie doll? I've already done this. I want to do some very serious roles." But for some reason, I don't know why I ended up here. The production house was very nice and very convincing. They also told me that how they're going to actually they sort of convinced me that how I look like the character. I was like, okay, whatever. And that's how I started. And I was really not serious about this character at all, because I just thought it's a doll character. How does it matter? Kids show. I mean, 4 साल के बच्चे 5 साल के बच्चे क्या देखने वाले हैं? And that whole privileged teenager age that you have. So in a way, I think, and that time social media was not so active, so we never knew the feedback. We never knew what exactly the kids were feeling, what the audience is feeling. But yes, I now see a great response coming. I see that so many people really like it. There is memory attached to it.
Yeah.
I remember incidences where people actually, like some cameraman, where some camera person who was holding the camera, he identified who I was, and he said, what, Roopali, can you hold on? Can you talk to my mother? I said,
Yeah.
Okay, but why should I talk to your mother? He said, no, please talk to my mother. And he took the camera off from his shoulder, dialed the number, gave me the phone, and I was like, hello auntie, yes. Look, बेटा ये तुम्हारा इतना बड़ा फैन है, तुमसे तो शादी करना चाहता था छोटी सी उम्र में, अब देखो तुमको मिल गया है, तो उसको लग रहा है कि मैं मुझसे बात कराया जाए, बेटा ये बहुत बड़ा फैन है तुम्हारा. It was a very overwhelming situation for me, where I have somebody who is probably shooting me. That guy is making me talk to the mother. It was a very sweet gesture that somebody did for me, and I really thanks Hero for making me experience and giving me memories like this.
Yeah, this is so true, because whenever we see the visuals of the show or any other show from that time, we just become so nostalgic and just takes us back to the memory lane.
And they even remember it now. They even identify me now. That is the greatest victory that I think television has given me.
Yeah. Roopali, we also, when I was checking your Instagram, there's so many times when you're promoting tourism in Maharashtra and all across India, and you yourself have won the pageant of Miss India Tourism. How do you feel that this role has contributed to you promoting tourism in India? Can you just tell us a little bit about that?
So I am actually, I shouldn't be saying I was, but I am former Miss India Tourism, and that involved me traveling a lot at that point of time. So there came a phase in my life when television was all done. I just started taking myself very serious, and I got into a pageant. I think I must have participated in all the pageants, right from Glad Drive, Miss India, just name it, and I must have gone into it, won it. And then I proceeded forward, and Miss India Tourism was also one such contest that I participated, and I got back winning a lot of accolades there. And yes, so it was a very it was a title which involved tourism. So I was involved with Maharashtra tourism, I was involved with China tourism, I was involved with India tourism. There was a lot of tourism which then at that point of time got attached to me. And even now, if I get a chance, if somebody calls me and they want a face, and a lot of people know that I had won that title, so I always contribute, because as an Indian and also as a face for the Miss India Tourism, I always like to contribute. And it's a great title to win, because you get to travel so much, you get to actually speak about your culture so much, you get to know even other people's culture so much. So it is a great title to actually cherish onto.
And you've also done theatres before getting into full-fledged in film industry, like doing films.
I must have done every possible thing that must have come my way as an artist. एक artist जो कर सकता है. I must have done television. I worked as a child artist. I must have worked as a teenage artist. I must have worked in theatre. I have worked on ramp. I have participated in a beauty pageant. I have even given my voice for a lot of shows. I've done OTT, I've done films. I think ऐसा कोई section नहीं है जो शायद मैंने छोड़ा होगा. अभी अगर कुछ रह गया होगा तो बता दीजिए, मैं वो करना चाहूँगी.
Well, your character in that film, Dad Hold My Hand, was very much praised because that character itself just tells that story, that how even in challenges, when life throws you lemons, you just smile and take it with bravery. How did you approach that character?
So that is a very nice film that we did. It was directed by director Arun Frank, and it was a crossover film. It's a complete English film, but made by the Indian people and the NRIs there. It's a very nice character because it's a film which was shot in London. It's a complete out and out English film, made by a very good director, NRIs. It's an Indian film, but of course made in English for the NRIs and for the film festival purpose. And it has gone to various film festivals for that matter. A little serious in the subject, because we have Ratna Pathak Shah and that Denzel Smith, and these kind of serious people who are fantastic actors in their own way. And I got a chance to work very closely with Ratna Pathak Shah, and I think she's super cool for that matter. Very easy to work with. Got to learn a lot from her. So yes, it is. I think when I read the script, I knew it's going to be a nice film. I wish they release it in theatres now, because it's high time now. It really needs to be in front of the audiences. But overall, I think when I read the script, I knew the director was very clear of what he wanted out of this character. I was a girl who probably is just supporting, the main lead in terms of love, in terms of sympathy, in terms of courage, in terms of, because the pillar is me. And why the reason why he's together is because of me. So I quite liked the character. There was no two way that I wouldn't have done it. I said yes in the first go only. I said no, I like the script, I like my character, and I would like to go ahead with this.
We have also seen you doing a lot of songs these days. What exciting projects are currently you working on?
Oh yeah, there is a phase which now has come into my life, the music video phase. I'm doing a lot of Punjabi videos, and a couple of videos are now out, I think, and there are a couple of more which I've already shot are going to be out probably sooner or later. But the phase is just I'm romancing. And this is all I can say. Nice videos and shot, very easy, not too much time that they take. Probably shoot in 3-4 days.
Yeah.
Easy to shoot. Sometimes, at work also you want to be light, you don't want to be heavy in terms of, reading a script or doing, preparing yourself for a role and everything like that. Because theatre actually gets you very tired. It becomes very tiring because you have to prepare so much. Even when you're doing any role in a film or OTT, there's a lot of preparation, a little workshop. These are very easy, these music videos are very easy. It's like a fresh of breath. What is that called? Breath of fresh air. And yeah, it's nice, musical, there's a little dance. I'm really enjoying this phase of mine. And I've told a lot of makers, yes, please, I'm there for the music video. Call me.
Associating yourself with a social cause is also very important. What do you have to say on that?
No, but I really feel it is a very important aspect. as a professional, but as a person that you are. This was in depth given to me when I started participating in my Miss India and things like that. I understood that how important these social causes have to be in your life. So yes, so participating in Miss India actually, and a lot of these pageants for that matter, I think the importance and the significance of the social cause was understood by me. Because when as a pageant winner and as a crown holder, you get associated with a lot of causes which is closer to your heart. It could be a cancer patient, it could be child development, it could be make my earth green, it could be greener earth. There are so many foundations which is actually doing very good causes, and when I started working at a very minuscule level with them, I realized that as a person, it is really helping me a lot. Forget about being professional as an actor. I'm not an actor, I'm not doing anything. As a person, I really thought that it is helping me. It is giving me a guidance. It is giving me an avenue which is broader in spectrum. It is giving me a knowledge which I was not aware of earlier. So I always get attached to a cause, a social cause, which really matters to me. So right now, as you rightly said, one of those, and I am very closely now working with BMC for that matter, where I'm planting trees with them all across Mumbai. And it is called, the foundation is called Make My Earth Green Foundation. And whenever my government needs me, because that is also a part of the Miss India tourism that I was then, and I even now sometimes, contribute my efforts in whatever way I can. And I promote planting trees. I even also probably see there are a lot of plants. My house is full of plants.
I can see that, yeah.
So I now have got attached to planting trees because I think this is what the requirement of the nature and requirement of the world is. And especially in Bombay, where we are so much in pollution, so much in toxic environment, these are the only things that can save us. And I promote that highly, and every social cause which is close to my heart, I'm always there.
Yeah, just last question, Rupali. This web series space, it's just so huge. Do you think that you would want to delve into that as well? Because we would really want to see you act more and more, and especially in web series.
I did a couple of web series.
Yeah.
Tina, I did a couple of web series. I have done Kala. I have done... which one was the other one? I'm also forgetting. I must have forgotten my work. But I've done a couple of web series which is actually running on Hotstar at this point of time. And that space is a very huge space. But rightly, as you know, I'm also trying to be a little कैसे बताऊँ, मेरे लिए अगर कुछ होगा ना वहाँ पर तो मैं हमेशा रहती. जैसे the couple of web series that I've done lately, there was a good role of me, there was a good substance that I could play, a character that I could play. I'm looking forward. I'm always open. See, I am always open to working. If it has challenge, it is making me learn, it is giving me a relaxing time, it is giving me money, it is giving me my fun time. I am all about work. I don't know anything. I've been working as a child, and I think I don't know anything else other than work. मुझे काम के सिवाय कुछ नहीं समझ में आता. So if there is anything, even now I'm reading some script. I hope it materializes for me. But बहुत सारे time जहाँ जहाँ आपका होना होगा ना वहीं होता है. So but yes, couple of things are. I hope it materializes for me. That's all I can say. Wish me luck.
Yeah, wish you all the best, Rupali, and thank you for connecting with us and talking to us.
Thank you so much, Hina. You were really bright and very easy to talk to.
Thank you.
I really love talking.